Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're embarking on an exciting journey through Portugal, a country full of history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes. I'm your host, Sophia, and over the next 5 minutes, we'll explore the top timeless things you must do in Portugal. So, let's get started. Our first stop is Lisbon, the timeless capital city of Portugal. As we wander through the enchanting alleys of Alfama, you'll immediately feel the historical charm of this neighborhood. The vibrant colors, the scent of freshly baked pastries, and the sound of fado music echoing through the streets create a unique atmosphere. Make sure to hop on Tram 28, a living relic that has been rattling along Lisbon's hills for decades, granting you an authentic experience of the city's heart. No trip to Lisbon is complete without visiting these timeless landmarks. The Belém Tower, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stands as a symbol of Portugal's glorious maritime past. Nearby, the magnificent Jeronimos Monastery showcases the impressive Manueline architecture, a style unique to Portugal's golden age of exploration. As you explore the towering São Jorge Castle, prepare to be captivated by stunning panoramic views of Lisbon, connecting you with the city's past and present. Next up, we're heading north to Porto, a timeless city renowned for its production of port wine. As we stroll along the timeless Douro River, the iconic Dom Luiz Bridge looms overhead, connecting the historic city center with Vila Nova de Gaia, where the famous port cellars reside. The sweet aroma of aged wine fills the air as we step into one of these cellars, learning about the art of winemaking and indulging in the rich flavors of Portugal's liquid treasure. A short drive from Lisbon brings us to Sintra, a timeless and enchanting town that seems straight out of a fairy tale. Nestled amidst lush greenery, the colorful Penapalace atop the Sintra Mountains is a sight to behold. Its eclectic architecture, a blend of neo-Gothic, neo-Manueline, and neo-Islamic styles, stands as a testament to Portugal's eclectic cultural influences. Prepare to feel like royalty as you explore the palace's lavish rooms and extensive gardens. Don't miss the mystical Quinta da Regaliera, where hidden tunnels and wells add an air of mystery to this unique destination. It's time to head south to the Algarve, a timeless region blessed with some of Europe's most stunning beaches. As the sun kisses your skin and the waves gently caress the shore, you'll understand why the Algarve has been a go-to destination for relaxation and rejuvenation. Whether you're seeking solitude in a secluded cove or looking for excitement through water sports and beach activities, the Algarve caters to all tastes. The beauty of this coastal paradise is truly timeless. To truly immerse yourself in Portugal's timeless culture, you must experience fado music. As we step into a traditional fado house in Lisbon, the haunting melodies and heartfelt lyrics will touch your soul, transporting you through time and connecting you with the emotions of the Portuguese people. And speaking of timeless experiences, no visit to Portugal would be complete without savoring its mouth-watering cuisine. From fresh seafood delicacies like grilled sardines and succulent shrimp to the iconic past is de nata, Portugal's custard tarts, your taste buds are in for a treat. And that concludes our unforgettable journey through Portugal's timeless wonders. I hope you enjoyed this virtual tour and are inspired to explore this incredible and evergreen country. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more timeless travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, creating timeless memories,